Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can add Facebook leads as Exotel contacts automatically. So let's take an example that you are a business owner who is running Facebook lead ads to advertise your business and you are collecting leads through the Facebook lead ad form submission. Now you want that whenever a customer fills your Facebook lead ad form, using the details of the form submission, automatically a new contact should get created into your Exotel account, which is a cloud-based communication platform by which you can contact and communicate with your customers on mass scale using your mobile phone or devices. And this particular automation will be useful to simplify your call management system. You can run your call campaigns, you can communicate with your customers, and you can gather the feedbacks from them, from the users instantly. So for this, we need to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Exotel. And in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create a new account and you're going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Facebook lead ads to Exotel integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills our Facebook lead ad form, automatically using the details of the form submission, a new contact should get created into our Exotel account. For that, first we need to create an integration or a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So just open this trigger window and let us choose the application name as Facebook lead ads. Select the trigger event as new lead instant. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook lead ads account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here it is asking for the page name. So I have already created a page in my Facebook account named Pabbly Tech. And I am running the Facebook lead ads on this particular page named Pabbly Tech. So I have to select the same page name over here in Pabbly Connect also. So let us find the same page, that is Pabbly Tech over here. And I have created a lead generation form also. So this is my lead generation form named Pabbly. So I am going to select the same form name over here also. So the lead generation form is Pabbly in my case. So I am selecting this form name over here. And now the page access token is automatically captured. And let's click on save and send test request. And now we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the Facebook lead ad form on the name of a customer. So I'll just move to the form. And here we are going to fill up the details. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Let's enter the phone number and click on next and submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see that within some seconds, the response is captured over here. When we scroll down, here we can find all the details of the form submission. We can find the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address, along with that the phone number. And now we want that using these details of the form submission, automatically a new contact should get created into our Exotel account. For that, come to this action step and let us choose the application name as Exotel over here. Select the action event as Create Contacts. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. And now it is asking for the API key, API token and account SID, along with that the subdomain also. So I'll just take you to my Exotel account. Okay. And here when we scroll down, at last we can find the API option under the Settings tab. So I'm just going to click on API. And here we can find the account SID, API key and API token. So I'm just going to copy the account SID first and I'll be pasting the same over here in Pabbly Connect. Now let us copy the API key. So I'll just copy the API key from here and I'll be pasting it in Pabbly Connect to create a connection. And after that, let's copy the API token also. So I'm just going to click on this I button for viewing this particular token. Let's copy the token and we'll be pasting the token also. Okay, and now the subdomain is required. Enter api.exotel.com if your account is from Singapore or api.inexotel.com if your account is from Mumbai. So here you have to select your subdomain. In my case, I am just selecting it as api.exotel.com because my account belongs to Singapore. Okay, and now let's click on Save. And now the Exotel account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the first name, last name and other details of the contact that needs to be created. So we have already got all these details from our Facebook lead ad form submission over here from the trigger response. So we will be mapping these details now. Okay, let's scroll down. For here let us map the first name from Facebook lead ads and the first name was Adam. In the same way, let us map the last name also. That was Smith. Here the phone number is required. So let us map the phone number. And here the company name is required. We don't have the company name, so I'm just leaving this field as blank. Now the email address is required. Let us map the email address also. And here if you want to give some tags associated with the contact, you can just specify it over here. And here you can give some custom fields also. In my case, I'm just leaving these fields as blank. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new contact is created in our Exotel account. So let's move to the Exotel account. And here we'll be moving to the Campaigns section. And let's click on Contacts. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new contact over here. And we can find his contact number as well as the email address. And here we can find the created date and time also. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Exotel account, next time whenever any of your customers is going to fill the Facebook lead ad forms, automatically using the details of the form submission, a new contact will get created into your Exotel account. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, let us move to our Facebook lead ad forms once again. And here we are going to enter the details of a new customer. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com, and let's enter the mobile number. Click on Next and click on Submit. Thanks, you are all set. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Exotel account. We have to just refresh our contacts section. Okay, and here we can see that Shikha Arya is added as a new contact over here. And we can find her contact number as well as the email address. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using those details of the form submission, a new contact was created into your Exotel account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Exotel using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.